So here's Miss Katrina Velarde with Mr. Troy Laureta. This is Quezon City Gems. So kumanta sila or nag-perform silang dalawa ng Come In Out of the Rain. I think this is a hit song from Shireen Rihes, if I'm not mistaken. So Troy is the one who's gonna play the piano or at least the keys, and then eto si Miss or Mommy Kat, the Queen Kat, the one and only Katrina Velarde, ay kakanta siya ng Coming Out of the Rain. So panoorin na natin, okay? And if bago kayo dito, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, comment down below, and also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and on TikTok. Okay? So let's go.
You said you believe that we'd find love together happily. After all the wrong I've done, you feel that I'm still the one to give your love into. So
galing naman ni Troy. Nasingit niya yung effects na yan, oh.
You told me that you love me if I never change. Welcome into your arms again. Come
I love it.
out of the rain. Hey, there's a
Galing ni Troy, man.
in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on in out of the rain.
Ang galing ng sweet tone ni Mommy Kat, no? Very soft, na lovely lang siya. And I think that she's capable of different things, different techniques. Kasi maraming nagsasabi puro sigaw lang si Mommy Kat. But if you just listen and open your mind and open your ears, really, you will really appreciate how versatile her voice is, no? And Mr. Troy, man, grabe. One-man show. One-man show siya sa track, no? Grabe, nakamidi ata siya, and may mga effects na nakahanda, no? For the certain parts na pinipindot niya lang. If you guys notice that one, grabe. Very talented talaga tong si Sir Troy. Ayun, no?
I love no one but you, but I stray. I know I made you blue.
Yung organ effect, nice.
You spoken to my very soul. You warmed my heart that once was cold. Now I'm so glad to know. You told me that you love me if I never change. Welcome into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain.
Come on, mommy. Sing.
There's a place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring when you call my name. Come on in out of the rain. Yeah, yeah.
Ooh.
Some people spend a lifetime looking for love.
Naging Mariah.
Love right here all of the time. Why did I try to deny it?
Galing.
Deep inside, I just couldn't find it. You turned my life around. The love I lost.
Ito, key change.
So
Let's go.
let the ride go down. You told me that you love me if I never change. Welcome me to your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. There's some place in your heart to love me again. Happiness and joy you bring
Grabe.
Baby, come out of the rain.
Hey, that's how you end it gospel. That was a flawless performance. Grabe. Pero, to, like, I know, impressed na impressed tayo kay Mami Kat. But, in this video, man, I'm so impressed with Mr. Troy. Grabe yung talent niya sa pag-produce ng music, sa pag-create ng music. And I think that he has already produced some music for other artists, no? Especially kay Morissette and marami pang artist and with other foreign artists as well. Yun yung alam ko, pagkakaalam ko sa background ni Mr. Troy. So, hindi siya pucho-puchong producer but he's a big-time low-key producer, no? And grabe. I think that this partnership or itong collab na to with Mr. Troy and Miss Kat, I think if marami pa silang pwedeng i-collab, this will really get people's attention. Like super kasi they're both very creative and they're both very spontaneous, no, sa kanilang music creativity. So I think that this collab will be really interesting, no, if marami pa silang collab in the future. But this one's one of the best coming out of the rain cover, or maybe arguably the best one there is, no, dito sa sa isang jamming, sa isang live jamming na situation. So yeah, that was very impressive. And and gusto ko talaga sa kanila, pareha sila ng character, pareha sila ng vibe, no? You saw sa last part ng video. Pagkatapos nun, wala lang. Para magkaibigan lang talaga yung mga close friends na talagang nagkukulitan afterwards, no? That was very, very impressive. So, tell me guys what you think about it. Kasi ako, that was definitely one of the best collabs, jamming collabs live. Okay? And it was not a simple song. It was coming out of the rain na talaga namang hit song, no? Hit song, and you can't just do it randomly without thinking of how you should do it. Kailangan mo talagang bigyan ng justice yung kanta. And I think they did more than that. Okay? So please do comment kung ano masasabi nyo and subscribe kayo. Don't forget, Happy New Year everybody, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace and God bless you all.